Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack. This is how to change microphone settings on Messenger. So to do this is just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now here on the settings, you will just simply go ahead and go for the applications over here or apps. Now you should be able to see the list of all of the application that you have installed into your device. Now try to find Messenger over here. Now, guys, you could also use the search icon on the top right corner. And now once you have defined the messenger, from here, if you scroll down, you should be able to see here permissions. Now, to change the microphone settings, you will have an option here, microphone. So from here, you will have an option to allow and deny it. So mostly, guys, if you have deny it, you cannot use the messenger microphone or the call will not work. Now, to change this, just make sure to select allow in order for you to have the microphone permission and it can be used by the messenger application. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.